Everyone, I am Reena Shankar from ITL Public School. Today I am going to discuss an activity related to triangle. Before I start with the activity, let me tell you about a triangle. A triangle is a closed polygon having 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. Now, if a triangle has 3 angles, then it has the sum of 180 degree, which we have to verify. Before that, I start the activity. Let us read the heading of the activity. Name of the activity is to verify angle sum property of a triangle, or sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. As it is an activity, so we need some material also for that. Colored sheets, scissors, ruler, protector and glue in color pen. This is the material which I am going to use for this activity. Let us start with the procedure, means steps which we are going to follow for this activity. Step 1 is we have to cut 2 congruent triangles of any size. See, these are the 2 congruent triangles of any size. Why they are congruent? Because both the triangles are superimposing each other. One triangle is superimposing the other triangle because they are congruent triangles. After cutting 2 congruent triangles, we have to mark angles 1, 2 and 3. As you can see from here, this is angle 1. I have marked angle 2 and angle 3. In the other triangle, here if you observe, I have marked few lines, blue lines in between. Why I have marked? Because I have to cut 3 angles of this triangle. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. With the help of scissors, I will cut these 3 angles. This is angle 1. With the help of scissors, as you can see, I am cutting angle 1. After that, I have to cut angle 2. And the rest of the part of the triangle is automatically angle 3. Now these are the 3 angles I have cut. Join the cut angles like this. Angle 1 is this. I have joined angle 2 with this angle 1 and then angle 3. All these 3 angles I have to join together, as you can see from here. With the help of glue stick, you can join these 3 angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. The observation is all these 3 angles are lying on a straight line. Here also you can see angle 1, 2 and 3, they all are lying on a straight line. Means all 3 angles lying on a straight line. The sum of all 3 angles is 180 degree because degree measure of a straight line is 180 degree. So what is the result? Result is sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Hence angle sum property of a triangle is verified. The activity is like this. As you have cut 2 congruent triangles, so first triangle you have to paste as it is, and the second triangle which you have cut in 3 angles, you have to paste them like this to form a straight line, because angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. This figure is verifying the angle sum property of a triangle. I hope you have enjoyed this activity. Kindly try this activity at your own. Thank you so much and have a nice day.